Welcome to this comprehensive guide on CreditSaint credit tips, where we will explore the essential concepts and practical advice to help you manage your credit effectively. CreditSaint is a reputable credit repair company that provides valuable insights and tools to improve your credit score. First, it is crucial to understand what credit is and how it works. Credit refers to the ability to borrow money or access goods and services without immediate payment, based on the trust that you will pay later. Your credit score is a three-digit number that represents your creditworthiness, ranging from 300 to 850. A good credit score can help you qualify for loans, credit cards, and other financial services at favorable interest rates. To improve your credit score, CreditSaint recommends several key strategies. Firstly, check your credit report regularly to ensure it is accurate and up to date. You can request a free credit report from the three major credit bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Once a year, review your report carefully to identify any errors or discrepancies and dispute them promptly. Secondly, make timely payments on your debts, as payment history accounts for 35% of your credit score. Set up payment reminders or automate your payments to avoid late fees and negative marks on your credit report. Additionally, keep your credit utilization ratio below 30%, as high credit utilization can negatively impact your credit score. Thirdly, avoid applying for multiple credit cards or loans in a short period, as this can raise concerns about your creditworthiness. Only apply for credit when necessary, and space out your applications if you need to apply for multiple lines of credit. Finally, monitor your credit score regularly and adjust your credit habits accordingly. CreditSaint provides a range of tools and resources to help you track your credit score and receive personalized recommendations for improvement. In conclusion, managing your credit effectively requires a combination of knowledge, discipline, and patience. By following CreditSaint credit tips, you can improve your credit score, qualify for better loan terms, and achieve your long-term financial goals. Remember to check your credit report regularly, make timely payments, keep credit utilization low, and monitor your credit score to ensure you are on the right track. With CreditSaint, you can take control of your credit and build a stronger financial future.